Good evening, Propbase family. Yo. Yo, look at that candle. Look at those candles. This is ridiculous. But anyway, you guys know I've been saying this for a while. Propbase was down so long for no reason. I was like, when this thing breaks out, it's going to be aggressive. So I hope you guys are not too surprised about what's going on. Okay. Okay. Well, we closed a marvelous candle today. Huge candle. Okay. Let me go to the 1 day time frame. All right. This is the 1 day. All right. So remember this double bottom from my prior video, the last video I made. That was this double bottom right here. Okay. Props made a bottom here and another bottom here, right? And what did I tell you guys yesterday? Double bottoms are powerful reversal patterns, okay? When an asset makes a double bottom or even a triple bottom, it usually marks the bottom of the move, basically, okay? Now, I posted this morning, I was like, props is going to hold this level right here. Remember yesterday, we had a breakthrough candle 2 days ago out of this 289-day old symmetrical triangle. And yesterday, we had a retest of the level of the symmetrical triangle. And we held serve. We held and closed above the symmetrical triangle, which was very bullish, right? And what happened in the subsequent candle? That's today's candle. Today's candle started, and through the night, you watch this candle go all the way down inside of the symmetrical triangle all the way to 11 cents almost. Okay? I'm sure a lot of people were panicking. Not me. I wasn't panicking because I knew this candle was going to hold support. I knew it was going to hold support. How did I know? I knew because this is a symmetrical triangle we've been in for 289 days, right? From here all the way to here. Okay? Now, we had a busted pattern where we fell out of the triangle to the downside and came back inside the triangle. Usually when an asset has a busted pattern and falls in the wrong direction and comes back to reclaim its position, that's a bullish move, okay? So we had a busted pattern, number one. Number two, we're at the very tip end of this symmetrical triangle. There's no more room to play around. There's no more room to mess around, okay? It's crunch time, okay? We're at the very tip end of the symmetrical triangle, and altcoin season just started. So the only place this price was going for me was up. That is why I loaded up 61,000 tokens over here, approximately 61,000 more props right inside of this hole. My conviction was high. And what do you know? Price broke out. Going towards today's candle close, it broke out. Now look at this. This double bottom pattern. We broke out a double bottom right here. This is the neckline of the double bottom right here. Let me change the color so you guys can see well. The neckline of the double bottom pattern is the purple line, okay? We broke out of it. We had a breakthrough candle yesterday and 2 days ago. Yesterday, we retested the level. Right? And today, we tested the level again. We really got deep in the level. And we held serve. We bounced out of it, and we absolutely took off. Okay, we broke this. You see this 13.84 cents, right? Around that 14 cents approximately. This level has been a headache. It's been a headache for over 200 days. You see, each time we got to this level, we got rejected. Each time we got to this level, we got rejected. See, we got rejected from this place about 7 times. Okay, each time we got there, we got rejected. Each time we got there, rejected. We got rejected every time. The only way to break through a level like this is with a powerful move, a big candle like this. You see, what was this? This was a 21% candle. Okay, that's the only way to break through a level like this. Now, I know we confirmed the double bottom pattern over here with two candles actually and broke above, right? Now, the target of this double bottom pattern, let's see the target. The target is going to be the highest point of the double bottom, right? The highest point of like around here, right? And then the lowest price at the depth of the candle, the depth of the double bottom, the lowest price. That'll be the target. Now you're gonna take that and put it at the point of breakout, which is here. Okay, point of breakout. The target of double bottom pattern is 18.6 cents. That's the target. Now, I know we doubled, we retested the double bottom pattern and the double bottom pattern neckline, which is this purple candle. But honestly, being that, you see, being that this trend line here, you see this trend line? Being that this trend line was such a headache for so long, all the way dating back over 200 days ago, right, is a major level. And as a result, I would really like to see the price of props come back here and test this level around 14 cents, 13.8 cents. I would really prefer for the price of props to come back and test this level and hold this level with a couple daily candles. Okay? If we could do that, the move to the upside will be a lot more healthy and a lot more explosive. If props can come back and retest this level over here, around 13.8, 14 cents, and holds it as support, flipping it from resistance to support, just the next move is all-time high. Nothing is going to stop this thing. It's going to be so quick. It's going to be so aggressive. Okay, so I'll be looking out for props to come back here, retest this level, and absolutely take off. Okay, absolutely take off to all-time high. Let me put a what do you call it? All-time right here. All-time high will be around here. It's 27.7 cents, something like that. So that's what I'm looking for. All right. Let me show you the weekly candle. And see, don't be scared if you see props coming down here to retest the 14 cents. Do not be scared. A lot of people were scared this morning when props went all the way deep, almost right through the whole triangle. A lot of people were scared, but people like me bought like 60,000 props. Okay, so if you see props coming down here to retest this level, it's bullish, it's not bearish. Do not be scared, because with impulsive moves, they're usually really big drawdowns for the purpose of retesting to keep the move healthy. Let me show you an example. Let's switch this to the weekly chart. 1 week. Boom. All right, this is 1 week. Let me show you what happened the last time we had impulsive move. Look at this. When props broke out here, boom, next candle went this high. No, it went this high, right? It got to this candle. This candle went all the way down here first. You see how it went there? See that wick? It went down here first and took off. Boom. Okay? Closed here. New candle. This new candle did what? It went all the way down here first. You see this wick? All the way down here first before it went here and closed here. Next candle. Next candle started, went all the way down, retraced the whole length of the prior candle, and absolutely exploded. Okay? Exploded into an 85% candle. You know how many people sold right here? People sold right here and ran for the fences. They're like, yo, this stuff is going to shit. People sold here and took off. And this shit blew up into an 85% candle. Next candle went down here first a little bit, and boom, 89% candle. 89% candle. The same thing is going to happen. Okay? You see this weekly candle right now? When this weekly candle closes, props might come down back to this red line here and retest it. And people are going to sell and run for the heels. And that stuff is going to put in a 90% candle all the way to all the way to almost all-time high. Okay? So do not be scared if you see props retracing. If you sell, you might have yourself to blame. Okay? Besides, the fundamentals of props is just too amazing, like we know. We're coming close to the end of the year. Apex is going to launch. We've been beta testing the Apex trading platform where you could buy and trade tokenized real estate assets with on Propbase. We have a top 10 centralized exchange listing in the month of December. That's around the corner at any time now. This is an amazing time for a top 10 exchange listing while price is exploding. Okay, you just watch what that's gonna do to the price. Okay, you're gonna see the real effect of like big liquidity exchanges. Aside from that, the team has just been delivering, like we all know, and altcoin season is just starting. Okay, so expect a lot more gains with an asset like props. Anyway, again, look at this is a symmetrical triangle. Let me remind you guys again, the target of the symmetrical triangle is not little. This is the target of the symmetrical triangle, $1.83. That's just the beginning, okay? That's just the beginning. Watch what happens when props start to close daily candles above this week high. Once props start to close daily candles above 28 cents, watch how quickly we run to $1. Watch how quick. $1 from 28 cents is less than 4x. So just watch how quickly we put in those candles, Anyway, that's the video update on props price action. Repost this video, share this video. More people need to see what props is doing, okay? In my opinion, props is the #1 RWA project in a lot of crypto. It's a brand new asset, never traded in the bull market before. This is the first bull market. You know what that means? Nobody has ever bought or sold props above the price of 28 cents. So once it hits 28 cents, this is no man's land. This thing is gonna fly in the middle of altcoin season. It's gonna be crazy. Anyway, repost. Have any questions? Hit me up in the comment section.